around the zone. The defenders can't chase them. They're too tired.
He scores! Will this the sign of things to come?
Well, I hope so. I love goals, James. This one is quick, and it's already on the board.
80s hockey, here we go.
This shot is a good one. It's released quickly, but the goaltender never picks it up. There's such a gaggle of traffic in front of him. He never finds the puck, let alone the shooter.
Lets it fly, and that carries off a stick. Lets the wrister fly. Blocker save. Trying to get back on the attack now. Quick feed, and he scores! What a shot!
This is a perfectly timed shot. As soon as the goalie drops into the butterfly, this puck is delivered right over his catching glove into the top of the net.
Pushes it across to Marner. Quick pass to Riley. Here's a shot. He scores! Austin Matthews clutch.
He swept this one up over the goalie's glove. The room wasn't there until the goalie dropped into the butterfly, maybe a little early. Opened up some space up top.
Here's a chance right out in front. He scores! That's Alexander Barkov coming through.
No way sometimes for the goalie to catch up to the pass. It's too quick. It's one-timed into the net.
Scooped up along the wall by Montour. And we've got a 2-on-1. Slides it across. He scores!
Oh, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. It's a bad decision by the other team as they get caught in an odd man rush, but they don't make any mistake. This is a beauty.
Buffalo's got it in their own zone. Move to the middle. Backhander in front. Scores!
Stick side's always a good place to shoot. If the goalie's not down in the butterfly to smother that off, it's going to beat the goalie because he doesn't have much to stop it with.
Ottawa's got a hold of it against the wall. He's got a step. He scores!
Well, he didn't take much time at all. He was so tight to the net, and he makes a nice move to finish it off.
That was filthy.
Well, that's slick hands. Once he is away from the pack, he's able to slow down, take the move he wants, and he finishes it beautifully.
Here they are on the attack. Shoots it on the backhand. Scores! What a shot!
Man, he's dancing through the team here. Great moves, and then he lays one over. It's a beaut, and his teammate gets to hammer it home.